God damn, gas prices are high, dude. Holy shnikes. Fuck. Dude, what is that? 555? Or no, I'm sorry, 565. Diesel is 645. Good Lord. Bro, it's getting fucking outrageous. This is getting outrageous. Why, dude? Why? Why does California have to be this way? Why does it want to fuck its citizens in the ass? The highest income tax, the highest fucking sales tax. Like, what the fuck? It just doesn't make sense. Fuck you, California. Brian, and like, I'm fucking crazy. I ride, you know, intermittently. Like, when I have the fucking time to ride, I ride. You know, I told my wife where I was like, yo, I need to go out, I need to ride. Like, I can't be home. Oh, fuck. So, you know, like I told her I need to set some time aside to get out and ride. So when I see gas prices, you know, at this unreasonable fucking price, and the rest, I mean, I know the rest of the country is suffering as well, but you know, we're suffering like double. Look at this, dude. Holy shit. $6.39 for fucking Supreme, bro. And like, I'm in the valley. That's not high for California. That is not high for California, dude. It's fucking crazy. This is fucking crazy. I don't know. I don't know what the fuck the problem is here. What's up, buddy? But this is, it's fucking out of this world fucking crazy, dude. And did you know California fucking imports its gas from Saudi Arabia and other fucking places? So rather than get a pipeline from California to Texas or wherever, we import our shit from Saudi Arabia. Like, make that fucking make sense. This is just dumb fucking bureaucratic bullshit that our state legislature is just imposing on us citizens. Like, why? These fucking people, because what? They don't pay fucking they don't pay for gas? No, because you know why? Because they have a gas card that basically the government gives them, that they give themselves, that allows them to say, fuck it, we don't care. You know, just like police departments, they get gas cards. Just like companies, where people have company cars, they give them gas cards. And they don't have to pay for gas, because the government pays for it. And then who pays the government? We fucking do. So we're paying for their gas, and we gotta pay for our fucking gas. I'm tired of these fucking crack piping, ass wiping, motherless lowlives. These people need to go to jail, dude. These people need to go to jail. Look, get fucking fucked in jail, dude. Get ass rammed in jail. These motherfuckers with their fraud, and a constant fucking nickel and diming of us. These goddamn people need to go to jail. Gavin Newsom needs to go to jail. Nancy Pelosi needs to go to jail. Fucking all these fucking politicians need to go to jail. All of them. All of them, dude. Oh, I don't want to pay for them, dude. I don't. And then it's crazy because we pay for their salary. It's like, hey, you want me to pay you for you to fuck me in the ass? I'm so goddamn sick of these sons of bitches getting away with fucking murder, bro. And like figurative murder and literal murder of, because you know these motherfuckers be trafficking fucking kids and shit. Fuck these guys, bro. All of them. I can't stand these sons of bitches. Like government workers, if you want to volunteer to be a government, like this should be the plan. You don't get fucking paid, or you get paid the medium. What are you doing, dude? What the fuck was that lady doing? The medium household income of your county or your fucking state. If you want to be in politics, that should be your fucking payment. And X out being able to trade. Nope. SEC will get you. Nope. Why? Why do we have this stupid policy implemented? I don't understand. These sons of bitches get away with taking our money, making us pay more, making us pay higher prices in gas, tax, income tax, property tax. Like, bro, I already fucking pay income tax. Why do I have to pay a sales fucking tax, then a property tax? Go fuck yourselves, dude. I'm not doing it. I'm not fucking doing it. Come and take it, bitch. If you can, if you got the balls, come and take it. Fuck you guys, bro. And I'm done. I'm done with this. I'm about to fucking have a seizure here. I'm about to fucking go have a stroke. I can't. Can you imagine paying a representative to represent you, and they go up there and say, hey, we need to increase the people's taxes. We need to make the people that we represent pay more because we don't think they pay enough. And then they have the right to make laws to infringe upon our speech, our Second Amendment, all of the Bill of Rights. All of them. You think if they come for your freedom of speech, they're not going to come for your fucking second? Those two go hand in hand. Hand in hand. And I'm not dealing with this bullshit no more. They can go fuck themselves. Fuck it. Alright, folks. That's all for today. Peace. Have a blessed day. Peace.